spoken word for us this morning. Director Marcelino, I might pull on you a little bit, so just know if I need a lifeline, catch you. All right. L.I.F.E. God Himself breathed life into me. So one would wonder why I would divert. I diverted from His truth and reality, while Satan vicariously lives through me. No one ever pressuring me, although probably sometimes wanted it more than me. As I repeatedly said, hold on a minute, or maybe tomorrow, because I'm not quite ready. Superstar! One day I heard called out to me, but looked around, not understanding how that was seen in me. L.I.F.E. Echoing. You can live life abundantly. You have access to every spiritual blessing and heavenly key. How do I get those? I wondered so curiously. If you surrender, then commit your life to me, the great I am, the King of Kings, the big JC. Those sins, I have paid them forward. So please walk with me. You don't have to walk around asking, what if, can I, will he, can't he, and wanting me. I declare, you are the head and not the tail. You are above and not beneath. You are the blessing coming in and going out. No more worrying, my child. I am He that ever was and ever will be. You have me. L.I.F.E. Once I got a hold of Director Marcelino, really got a hold of my ID, I realized that nothing, absolutely nothing, could separate me from the love of the big JC. And if I ever lose sight of the promise of my identity, I reference my BIBLE, because it reiterates that I have the victory, more precious than rubies, as delicate as a flower, but strong enough to carry life, as rough and tough as it may be. He thought enough about us to give delivery to life. The life that He's going to then mold, shape, declare, and decree. God Himself breathed life into me and you. So let's come back to where we belong. Let's grab hold to these truths and reality. His voice is echoing. You can live abundantly. You have access to every spiritual blessing and heavenly key. L.I.F.E. Let's live in freedom eternally.